Guys, give me 1 minute. Sorry for the delay. Somebody is trying to hijack my channel.
Wait, रुको. अरे, it's your brother only, yaar. Why are you running like that?
Who does that?
Let's not just waste time. Let's get into the video.
Okay. Before we start, मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपसे. कोई इंसान अपनी लाइफ में कुछ चीजें एग्जीक्यूट क्यों नहीं कर पाते?
First of all, उनकी will नहीं होगी. But 90% of the people will like वो सोचते हैं कि मेरे को ये मिल जाए, मेरे को वो मिल जाए. But question तो फिर वही आ गया कि वो execute क्यों नहीं कर पाते?
क्योंकि उनकी एक्सीक्यूट होती है बस.
कर पाते.
क्योंकि उनकी एक्सीक्यूट होती है बस. उनकी करेंट्स जो होते हैं वो इतने क्यूट नहीं होती.
तू समझी नहीं.
उनकी एक्सीक्यूट होती है बस.
उनकी एक्सक्यूट होती है, यही तो दिक्कत है. उनके पास प्रेजेंट में कोई है ही नहीं.
एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ.
इसलिए वो एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पाते.
हाँ, अब हम भी जैसे इस वीडियो को एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे, जो मेन टॉपिक है.
कर रहे हैं. गाइस, लेट्स स्टार्ट.
ओके, सो गाइस, हियर वी आर विद अ न्यू वीडियो एंड आज जो है
वाह 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 वाह.
ओके, सो आज मैं सवाल पूछूंगा और आप जवाब देंगे.
मैं जो कहूंगी सच कहूंगी. Yeah, whatever I'm gonna say, that's gonna be truth and the ultimate truth, nothing but truth. Chalo, let's start now. Please introduce what's the topic for today.
मैंने बोला था I'll ask the questions and you'll answer.
Okay. Ask me, no.
Okay, so what's the today's topic?
Okay. So guys, today we are going to discuss the steps which we require for manifestation, and आज probably it's going to be the last video related to manifestation. Then we are going to
Probably.
move ahead. Yeah, probably.
I know she's gonna make it a playlist of 10 to
Definitely.
15 videos.
Okay, cool. Let's manifest that also. By the way, we are going to discuss about the steps in order to manifest and attract whatever you want in your life, and this is with reference to The Secret. Okay? Now,
And there's one more secret about the book Secret. I just started reading that book without telling her.
for real,
Yes. And
like for real.
yes, for real.
God.
I just started reading that book and here I am. I'm the expert of manifestation.
God.
Thoda sa. Oh my God! Wow! People who don't know about manifestation can watch our previous videos. Okay, and we're gonna just provide the links in the description. Also, मैं आपको बता दूं हम बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहे हैं. So please just like, subscribe and share the videos. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just discuss about the first point. So I'm going to ask you, what's the first step? How can we start manifestation?
Okay, so as per the video, the first step is gratitude. Appreciate whatever you have in your life because it gives you a positive approach to look at things. So I have also started doing it. I've maintained a proper diary because I am experimenting with manifestation. So basically you just need to look around and have gratitude for the most basic things also. मतलब
आप सुबह उठ के सांस भी ले रहे हो ना, थैंक यू गॉड. आप क्या सुबह आपके पेरेंट्स बैठे हैं, थैंक यू गॉड. हम पास में बैठ के वीडियो शूट कर रहे हैं, थैंक यू गॉड.
ठीक है, so it's just like that.
Okay. In very short and crisp way, you need to just see people who are below you, okay, who
Yeah.
don't have the things which you have. So you need to be thankful to God for everything you have.
Exactly. And one more thing, that many times we think when I achieve everything, हम लोग manifest कर रहे हैं ना, like in the future I will be having this, हम future को लेके चल रहे हैं, but then we think that I will be happy when I achieve those things. But as per the book, it is suggested that you should be happy with everything right now.
Exactly.
Because अगर आप अभी खुश नहीं होगे, then in the coming future, universe thinks that you're not happy right now. So it is not gonna give you the things that you want because you don't deserve it. Because जो आपके पास already चीजें हैं, you're not like you don't feel gratitude for those things, and then gradually जो
Like-
अभी चीजें हैं उसके लिए खुश नहीं हो तो आगे आने वाली चीजों के लिए कैसे खुश हो
Guessing
जाओगे?
so. Exactly.
So
That's
it's
what I
just
was about to say. Some students just crib that they are going to tuitions and
Who
you know,
understands better than I do? Yeah,
so they just regret that why do we have to go to tuitions every day and why do we have to study and all, you know.
Right.
But there are people, there are students, there are children whose parents don't have money to spend to just send their children to tuitions, okay, to just like provide them a mentor,
exactly. So
right?
even like जिस चीज के लिए आप कई बार crib करते हो, other people might be craving for that. So it's not even necessary that you make a formal diary in order to note down all the gratitude pointers, but then you can just have it in your thoughts also. Okay, now let's move ahead to the second point. अब second point ये कहता है affirmations. Affirmations are directly related to gratitude only, but affirmations are basically talking positive about yourself कि मेरी life के अंदर सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है. Now, the point here is that it's, as per the book again, it's not that our thoughts are powerful. Ultimately, we are powerful. If you keep on thinking about all the affirmations, the positive aspects of everything, you would attract whatever you want. So the second point is affirmation, as simple as that. But now, hello, what are you doing?
What?
Have you forgotten that we're shooting a video?
I was just thinking about my goals.
My God, have you forgotten that you have to share the example related to affirmations?
Manifestation has just overpowered me.
Share the example now.
Okay, so let's
The
go.
stage is all yours.
Okay, so let me tell you about affirmation very precisely with the help of an example. Okay, so basically this example is taken from the book The Secret. There was a lady who was suffering from cancer and there was no possible way of cure, but she was so sure about herself, her mind, the power of her thoughts, that she did not let any thought overpower her, and she just like told herself that I am cured, I am okay, I am fine, and there is no space of any sort of stress. And surprisingly, she was cured in just 2-3 months.
Yet another example from The Secret. 10th March 1981. There was a person who met with an accident. Kaise? The aeroplane crashed. And then he was entirely shattered. His body was shattered and then he was hospitalized. The doctors even said that he won't be able to breathe as well. But then he applied the same rules of affirmations. He started telling himself that I'm healthy, I will walk out of this hospital myself. This is what he said to himself, and he decided that he would do that on 25th of December, that is Christmas, and he did that. So that is how affirmations are powerful, and you can change anything around you. Your mind has the power to control your body. Your thoughts are really, really powerful as per The Secret. Lastly, by looking at all these examples of gratitude, affirmation, we thought that
There's a question which comes up
Yeah.
in our mind that like,
is it this much easy to change your life through gratitude, affirmations and all of these things? And we were perplexed. Isn't there any other thing which is required? अगर इतना ही आसान होता तो सब कर लेते,
exactly.
right? And then we thought, do we have any other option or any other way through which we can lead our life?
Apart
Because-
from like affirmation and manifestation, you know, like this is not a kala jadoo which we are telling you to do. Like this is just a very basic thing which we are telling you to stay positive and
Yeah.
just think about your goals. That's
True
it.
that. Okay, so now lastly, I would want to say that whatever we have shared as of now is only taken from The Secret along with some of our personal examples, but our take on what we think about manifestation, because अभी तक हमने practically सब कुछ नहीं किया है. I have started maintaining a gratitude diary and then I have started staying positive. The situations around me honestly are same, but the way I approach towards them has changed. So let me experience it, let us experience it. Later on I will be reading The Secret as well. So let's see. As I told you that we will be following this journey together. Now, shall we just end this video?
Yeah, we should call it a video. like we call it a day.
Okay, guys. Bye bye.